Hey, Mr. Doyle here. Welcome to day 4 of SCH at Home Science. Today we're going to be starting a new unit on the nervous system. So I'm going to kind of walk you guys through today's assignment, go over everything. As a reminder, for my class, we'll have a Google Hangout on days of science at 11 a.m. Feel free to pop into that, even if you just want to hang out and just talk to people. I'll go over any questions you guys have, and if you guys want to hang out and talk, we can hang out and talk. But I'm going to go over all of the content and the work that you guys have to do today. It's all on Google Classroom. All right.
So at this point, if you're watching this, you've probably already made it to this screen. So this assignment is for Wednesday, April 8th, and it's due tomorrow, Thursday, April 9th at 10 a.m. So step one is, if you haven't done this yet, go back and look at your immunology assignment. So it was kind of our last summary assessment for our immunology unit that we started before school let out, and this was just kind of our wrap up for that. And today we're going to be starting a new unit on the nervous system. So you've already clicked on the intro video if you're watching this. Step 3 is you're going to play the brain games, okay? So all of these games are linked down here, okay? So the first one's a language puzzle, so you click on it, okay? And you solve the language puzzle question. So each of these represents either a word or a phrase that you're going to try to figure out what it is. And you're going to time yourself as you do these. Then you're going to do the attention station. Again, click on the link and time yourself and try to do your best. The memory game, there's a matching memory game that you click on the link, play the game, answer the questions, record your time. Emotion station and the reaction station. Okay, so go ahead, click on those, play the games. After that, you're going to watch the nervous system part 1 of Crash Course. Okay, so watch that video and answer the questions that go along with that. And then finally, you're going to read this article on the nervous system. Okay, it's a relatively short article. Read the article, and then I have a couple questions down here. 2 last questions for you to answer about how does the nervous system transmit messages, and for you to describe an experience that you've had where your nervous system had to react quickly. When you're answering that, please make sure you use the words sensory input, integration, and motor output. We talk about those words in the video that you watched. Okay, so there are 3 important terms that we use when describing how the nervous system works. Once you've done all that, up here near the share button is going to be a little button that says turn in. Please turn that in on Google Classroom. And then finally, I want you guys to complete an exit ticket. This is just a chance for us to get a feel of what's going well with SCH at Home and what we can improve on. So you're going to go click on this link and then go through and answer the questions in this exit ticket. That's it for today. We'll be having our Google Hangout from 11 to 11:45. Feel free to stop by if you have questions, if you need help with something, or even if you just want to hang out and talk to people. Last session, we did some questions about the immune system, and then we talked about the NBA 2K20 tournament and what movies we're watching for a little while. So feel free to stop by if you want to join us for that, although it is voluntary. And then finally, today's fun fact is that there are over 100 billion neurons in your brain. All right, have a great day.